Yeah, what's up, everybody?
Yeah, hey, what is good, man? What is up? Take a look at these recent finds. Yeah, take a look, man. I got these ones, loose castings. I don't even know the price in them, but that doesn't matter.
What's this one here, man?
This is the McLaren P1 Exotics. Damn, take a look.
Look at that camera, dude.
Yeah, McLaren P1 blue. That's what I like, man, about castings. Temples on the front, the back, and that's about it.
Let me see the back again, man. Let's get some focus.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like this new camera.
It's alright. Not the best, but it's alright.
What else you got?
This is Renault. Take a look, man. I'm telling you. Front temples. Nothing on the back, but I mean the side makes it up for it. Nice.
The top too, huh?
Nice casting for sure.
They should have made that back open up.
Oh, I don't know. I'm not a big fan of those. Take a look, man. We'll probably do have it loose also.
What's this one? Ford Escort?
Yeah, this is the Escort.
Nice.
And second P1.
Oh, so you got two of them?
Yeah. But yeah, man, take a look. I bought these ones at Booksman or Bookman.
You got them at Bookman's?
Yeah.
What's this one?
I have no idea. It's a go-kart.
It's a go-kart.
And why you asking? Anyways, sure. Man, $2 a piece.
Let me get some close-up on that go-kart, man.
And I also bought two of these.
Remember when we found the go-kart at the
flea market? Yeah. A lot of viewers were saying that was the treasure hunt.
Yeah, that was the treasure hunt, man. You got two of these?
Yeah. Two of the same.
How much were they, man?
$2 a piece.
Oh, damn.
Yeah. And take a look. Power plower, man.
What does that say, Piranha?
Yep. Piranha.
What is this, like a Ford Ranger?
A power plower. I just said that, man. Yeah, not the same.
Come on, man. What's on the front? What? This looks like a Ford Ranger, though.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean...
Or something.
Cool.
I like the wheels on that, though.
And take a look at the back also, man. It's very nice. I like the color variation. I mean, the two-tone, I guess. The orange up on the top.
Yeah.
I don't even know. Is that like a spare or donut or what? What's
Look
that,
like
man?
a spare tire, man.
Yeah. like an orange spare tire, man.
That's nice.
Yeah.
I like those wheels, though.
Yeah, they're very, very realistic, too. Very nice design. But take a look, man. You're gonna flip out.
What? Let me see, dude. Stars and Stripes. Star Spangled 2.
Yeah.
Independence.
Take a look at those wheels, man.
Oh, what? I was too busy on the graphics. Let me see those wheels, man. Let's get a close-up on those bad boys.
They look realistic as they can be.
The back one too, huh?
Yeah, the back is the same exact wheel. Purple Passion, this casting.
That's what it's called?
Yeah, Purple Passion. Very nice.
$2 too.
$2 as well. Yeah,
damn.
Very nice.
Let me see the back on that card. Oh, okay.
It's just the old school.
So there's some in this other series too, part of it, huh? The Mustang.
Yeah, the T-Bird, Chevy, and a Corvette.
That's what's up.
Yeah, man. Very nice. Casting for sure.
Yeah, that's a 4th of July special right there.
Yeah, what else I bought in Bookman? I think I bought this Beetle. Same store.
Oh, I that was one of the very first ones I found, dude, at Bash's, remember?
Yeah, I remember, man. This casting is great. We're definitely gonna... I think if we have enough, we're probably gonna do a 50th display. Only BW, man. What you think?
I think yeah, Volkswagen earned it, man.
Yeah, Volkswagen.
Look at that little happy face.
Yeah, man, I always said it, man. How can you say no to this puppy face?
It's like, please buy me.
Yeah. So,
nice.
I mean, and then a different store, I found this one right here, man.
Oh.
Cool combi, and this is a perfect set.
Is this gonna go? Oh, that's the same color, huh?
Yeah, same graphics, same everything.
That's nice.
Yeah.
So you think, because I seen a cool combi. So you think, for example, they make this a Beetle version of this?
I doubt it, but who knows? I don't have as many Beetles or cool combis, but it might. Maybe. I doubt it though. I doubt it.
What?
Because they do have one that it's like the treasure hunt.
Yeah.
For this one, this version, and there's a treasure hunt for a Beetle. It's kind of similar looking, like the exact same theme, but not the exact same colors.
Oh.
And also at that store, man, take a look at this one. This card is not all there, but we are definitely gonna open this. Might as well, you know.
Yeah, that's a Supra, man.
It's a Supra, very nice.
It's halfway open. How much was that?
I don't remember. I mean, I remember I paid $10, but it was this one, and the loose castings for $10.
All for 10?
Yeah, including this.
Oh wow, dude.
Yeah.
It's not a bad deal.
Not at all, man. Those guys are really getting to know me. I go there pretty often, I guess. Either that or they remember my kids.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at the art on the hood, man.
Yeah, take a look. Damn, everything, all that is under the hood, man. You have no chance against it.
And this is a Supra. Is it true that Hot Wheels is getting the Supra?
That's what I
or the
heard,
Toyota
man.
license?
That's what I heard, and I hope so, man. I hope so.
I can't wait for the what's it called?
Street tuners.
Street tuners, man.
Yeah, I've seen pictures, and this is the second one of these. The Monty.
This is the second one you got. You got two of these, or?
I had. This is the second one. The last I showed. I think I made a video and I showed it as well.
Oh dang, man! This thing looks like it wants to get customized, dude.
Yeah, and
even the wheels like that black with the chrome lip, dude. It works so good.
Yeah, definitely.
You know, I like that.
Yeah, this one is a nice casting for sure. And take a look at this. I think this is a Samac, man. It doesn't say Samac, but it is a Samac.
But what is that? 250?
Yeah, it's probably 2016 or 2017.
Oh, I thought it was gonna be a metal base.
Oh no, man.
There's a Viper, no?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, dude. So, let me see the top.
With the light blue tint, man, real nice.
Yeah, that's pretty cool, man.
And the graphics, they look great.
So this is like a Zamac before they labeled them Zamac?
Yeah, exactly. And yeah, man, take a look. We also recently bought these off of OfferUp.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, so I want to give a shout out to what was his name? Jahasiel, I believe.
Jahasiel?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, I didn't catch his name. I went to pick it up, but
yeah, he's pretty far from us.
Really far.
But yeah, man. Luckily, this completes the set for sure.
Yeah, this one was 40 minutes away actually.
Yeah.
From us. But what does that say on the side, man? It says, "Always ready to serve you and your Volkswagen."
Yeah. Very nice.
Side
man.
markers on that thing too, right?
Yeah, I'm very happy, man. Take a look at the front. It's like all around.
Yeah.
Happy to have this set completed. Definitely, man. This is the rest of the set.
Oh, this completes that set, right?
Yeah, the 50th favorites. Very nice for sure. So thank you, man. Did a great deal, definitely. Especially when he threw in these rims. Take a look, man. Got these rims as well, so I'm all pretty much set to customize. So once again, man, thank you so much.
Hey, you just ordered the drill set today too, huh?
Yeah, it's on the way. So, yeah.
These wheels look nice, man.
Yeah, they come off of either the Skylines from Fast and Furious, the Culture set, or I I don't know what other casting has these.
And the axles are pretty straight, no?
Yeah, they're pretty.
What else? Oh, the X-Men, right?
This one comes in the Lamborghini, the Strangers, Doctor Strange.
Yeah.
And also, I think these ones come from the Team Transport one.
Nice, nice.
Yeah.
So that way we don't have to
open some up. But take a look, man. What you guys think about this? Did I get ripped off, or is this a good deal, or it's just on point? It looks pretty clean to me.
Yeah, that thing is nice. Hell yeah.
$399. It's not bad.
Nope.
I mean, especially when we buy. I don't want to call this one out, but we got castings like this for 50 cents. So $3.99 for this one, and I know there's scarcity up in these ones, you know. So I was willing to pay $3.99, and it's in great condition. Hey. The wheels are all there. The axles are not bent.
Hey, the dash has chrome on it too, right?
Yeah. Take a look, man. This is
look at that interior.
A rare find, that you could say. You know what I'm saying?
Dang, yeah.
But yeah, man. Take a look at this one. This one you found, right?
Yeah, this is the one I found at a Goodwill.
Take a look.
99 cents for this thing. I went to like 3 Goodwills that day.
I haven't gone to Goodwills at all.
But if you put it close to the light and look at the paint, dude, it still sparkles like with that orange.
I think you can tell better from the back.
Yeah, on the back. There you go. See that sparkle, sparkle, sparkle?
Yeah.
So it's like red orange. And it's like perfect, dude. It doesn't have any
take a look at the back.
Like really nothing wrong with it.
Hong Kong base.
79. And
take a look at the front too, man. I think it's neat.
Yeah, it's really good condition, man. Just the front axle's a little bit bent, but you know,
we'll
hot
probably
rod.
Throw some of these wheels up in there.
So yeah, if you guys know anything about this casting, man, what makes it special or anything, because right away, I mean, it grabs my attention. You know, like there's something about it that I'm like, wow, this is like a rare car or pretty unique. I don't know, but I don't know what it is, you know, that catches my eye on it. But even the back cover right here, I never seen cars with that, like back cover on the rear axle. But yeah, you guys let me know what you think about this one, man. Give me some info. I know you guys are real good about that. Yeah, it's really neat though. Usually, I think if you find these, they're gonna be broken on this would be missing, or the bumper would be all messed up. I think what makes it really good is the bumper is all metal. You know, it's part of it.
Yeah, it looks like a one piece.
But I thought this was metal, but it's like plastic.
Yeah.
But hey, either way, man,
still
it's pretty neat. Pretty neat. So yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Right?
That's it.
But that's all the finds right there, guys. Check it out.
Great haul for sure, man.
Well, $10 not including this, right? Well, I guess 50 cents for that. $10.50?
No, that was just this one haul.
Oh.
These were 2 apiece, and man, whatever the price is.
That's not bad.
Probably, I'll say $50. How about that?
Oh, damn.
$50 in this table.
That's what's up. So yeah, let us know what you guys think about this video, man. It's been a while since we
been teamed up, man. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Been together. Work. Yeah, work has been like I said, man. I think I pulled up a 13-hour shift, and those kill my days off, man, because I'm just resting at home, and also the weather. Yeah, the weather's been crazy as heck lately, man. This is what the weather looks like in Arizona, man. Yeah, they got the weather painted on this. Yeah. That's crazy, man. But yeah, let us know you guys enjoyed this.
If you guys want more videos like this, I mean, I know we put out quite a few like this, so let us know if you guys want more of them.
Yeah.
And you know, bug Sam on the comments so he can start the customs.
Yeah, man.
He's gonna start making customs videos. You guys just have to like pressure him, you know.
Oh, and then yeah, today I got off the phone with Ruben, man. Ruben from Puerto Rico. He's in South Carolina, man. We're gonna do a trade, hopefully. But yeah, I got off the phone with him. Very pleased to meet this guy, man.
Hey, and when Mike gets his mail call box we sent him,
he's gonna get his package is gonna arrive Friday.
Yeah.
But then I also got this other guy, man. I sent them a package. The shipping alone was $30, so that should tell you it was a great box. So stay up for his video, and I did my own, but I don't want to ruin his channel, I guess, because he doesn't have one, but he's gonna start it with our trade.
Yeah, so we'll put the links of the videos they make on their channel, so you guys can go watch it on their channel.
Yeah.
And support them, man. We traded pretty much blindly, not expecting anything in return.
Exactly.
Just in the hopes that they make a video and hopefully they send something back. If not, it's okay, you know?
Yeah, pretty much. That's what cause this guy, he was saying, hey, what would you like on your box? And I just told him, hey,
Surprise me.
I don't really like to ask for anything. Just whatever you feel like throwing in the box, I'm very welcome or very appreciated. You know?
But of course, if you want to put a Supra in that box, man, we're not gonna say no.
Yeah.
But no, man, we're not gonna go like bug you for it. If whatever you want, you don't want to send, whatever, you know.
Yeah.
We do it for the channel pretty much. I mean, you guys know that already. Watch all our videos, man.
Exactly.
But
that's it, man. Stay tuned. I don't think they have sent their packages, but stay tuned, man. We're definitely gonna make videos for their arrival, you know.